Is your LinkedIn job title lately a euro lackluster? Let's transform it from blah to bam, so you grab attention and land those dream opportunities. First, head to your LinkedIn profile and scroll down to the experience section, find the job you want to update, and click that little pencil icon that's your edit button. Now you're in the editing zone. See the title field. That's where the magic happens. Erase the old title and think about what you actually do. Use keywords relevant to your industry. What terms would recruiters search for? Instead of just marketing manager, try something like senior marketing manager. Digital strategy and growth specificity is key. Also, double check that the company, location, and dates are correct while you're here. Accuracy builds trust. Once you're happy with your updated title and details, scroll down and hit that blue save button. This commits your changes to your profile. And there you have it. Your LinkedIn job title is now a powerful reflection of your expertise. Remember to keep your profile updated and watch those connection requests roll in.